Hello guys, welcome to the next developer corporation. Hey, my name is Jitendra and I'm going to continue with the previous lectures I have left. Now I am going to start with the basic introduction of HTML, which is called as hypertext markup language, and I will tell this everything in this lecture, like basic needs by which you can create the HTML pages for developing your websites and many more. Now we go to the page 1. For the basic definition, what is the HTML? Here you can see it. HTML is an standard markup language for creating web pages. You know that as well. Here full form I am telling you from the first day that HTML is a hypertext markup language. It describes only the structure of web pages using markup language. HTML elements are building blocks of HTML pages. HTML element are represented by tags, which is tag HTML, body, title, h1 tag, paragraph tag, and many more. HTML tag labels are piece of content such as a heading, paragraph, table, so on. Browser, actually what going on when you run the code on with the help of any browser like Chrome or Mozilla or whatever you have in the system, then HTML tags are only show the content, not the HTML tag. Again, you have to always do that whenever you start any tag, write something and again close that tag. It is compulsory for that. Here you can show that HTML tags are elements surrounded by the angle brackets, like bracket. This is when you can got this bracket using shift key. And HTML tag normally comes in the pairs like P for paragraph and again closing tag. Okay, next we have web browser. The purpose of web browser like Chrome, IE, Firefox, Safari is to read HTML document and display them, not more than that. For HTML pages, browser does not display the HTML tags but use them to determine how to display the document. Basically, HTML is a structure of a page, web page. Here you can see that structure of a page with the help of HTML. We start HTML. Again, you have to follow this structure always. If you don't follow this structure, then no problem will be occurred, because nowadays our browser like Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox and Safari all are governing by the W3C World Web Consortium, which are modified browser nowadays. Even though if you are not declaring this HTML head, title, head and body, you have only see h1 tag, you can do that, but it is not proper way of writing HTML codes. So you have to whenever you are going to write the HTML page for creating any web page, you have to consider all the page structure, like okay. Now HTML editor, for writing any of the HTML code, you need an editor. Suppose some of the user are using Windows, some of using Linux and some of using Mac. You can choose any operating system. In operating system, by default they provide a notepad. Like in Windows, for writing HTML code you can use notepad or any text editor in any operating system. Simply, I am using currently notepad++, which is more convenient for me at Windows 10, and you can choose according to yourself. No matter whatever you choose the editing software, it is not going to affect your software code. Okay, now I am going to show you. You know that you all are well known about the computers. You can go to Windows or start screen and type notepad in the search box, or in case of Windows 7, go to start, program, accessories and notepad. Okay, click on that and it's prompted a new amp. I will show you that what's going on is that I am here I am going to click. Here is my notepad plus. In case you are not able to find, just start typing notepad. Here we go. So here we can got that, open it, and no need to worry about anything. Just start the basic structure of the HTML, which you can do like HTML, again head, title, again closey braces, title. Whenever you are going to, this is the structure of a HTML page, you have to follow this always, because it is an standard set by W3C, which is World Wide Web Consortium. Now here we go for body tag. Body, again we have to close body, okay, and finally we close HTML tag, final close. Now we have to write title is the part I am going to show you right here. Use any tag for, like we know h1 is a header tag for heading, especially used for heading. H1 means that is the largest tag for heading. If you go for h2, h3, I will show you all that. Hello. Next developers, okay. Here again follow the baby structure, page structure. You have to close always. Now I'm going to use h2, again same, write something, next developer, again close it, and finally s3, next developers, again close it. You have to do here h1 heading tag come from h1 to s6. It is increase in size and you can use according to your need. Here h4, and again next developers, and again close it. If you don't close that this braces closing tag, then it will show an error in the page, because browser is not a compiler that it can show you any error. It is visible on the page. I will show you all that. You can use HTML5, next developers, and close HTML5, and the last one is the HTML6, next developers. Here we have completed and close the HTML6. Same, you can use paragraph tag for defining any paragraph. This is a good boy, his name is Vicky. Here again you have to close that. Okay, once you have to write this code, because you have to follow the page structure. Finally you have write this thing. You have to go into the file here and click. Here you can see the option of new, open, save, and save as. You have to click on save as, not on save as. Okay, here click, and now you have to write any file name whatever you have. Like in my case I am typing Wiki, and again care about is point out the HTML extension .html. If you don't write that, then it cannot be open in browser and did not show the all content and display it properly. So whenever you write the file name during the save, then you have to write name .html. You can write extension .htm also and save it. In my case it is the location of desktop. So here, and here you can see that this is the wiki .html page. Now click on, if you not, in your case if system is not showing like that, you can right click on that and open with browser, any browser whatever you have. Like in my case Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. I am using Google Chrome. Now click on that, and here we go. So how we are using that HTML tag, you can see it. We can compare it with that. Here h1 tag, that means h1 tag, h is used for heading tag, especially for heading. You can declare it. Again the size of h1 is highest in this category and h6 is the lowest. You can see here S6 is the lowest. This is the S6. Okay, and H5 is the little more increased in size, and so on. And this is the paragraph which is I have written. This is a boy, good boy, and his name is Vicky. You can use that. Okay, now we did not have write the title, so here you can see that this is the name of the your file wiki.html. So it did not looking well, so we have to name something, welcome to our website, or anything you have to write on the title. So just type here anything you want to show on the title of that browser page, welcome to my web site. Okay, and just save it. You don't have to run it again. You have to go and refresh it the from browser, and it will show here. Now you can see that here we goes that welcome to the my website. Now okay, clear these things. This is the work done I have done with the notepad. Okay, here see, this is the boring editor you can got by default, you got in Windows system. So if you want another editing software, like I have the notepad plus plus, we have to install the notepad plus plus first, and after installing the notepad plus plus, here you can got the all detail notepad plus plus help content. Okay, no need to do that. First you have to download the notepad plus plus. Here I am writing this. Go to file, click okay, wait, this is the file. We can write in paragraph also again. P, first you have to download notepad plus plus from the internet and install it, and close this. Notepad plus plus is only for Windows. Now I am downloading and installed. You can, if you are using Linux or Mac operating system, then you can choose another editor. So many editors are available for download. Download and install. After installing, you got that. Whenever you are going to click on this, you can see. If you don't find after installing it, just go to search like notepad. Okay, sorry, just I am going to okay, and here you can go notepad. Here we go. Here we got that notepad, which is by default by operating system Windows 7 or 8 or 10, and it is installed by manually by me. Click on that. When you click, it is will open like this, and close this, close this, close this. Now whenever you are going to open this, it will show you like that. If you don't like that, then click go to new. Okay, and this new. Okay, here we again using the same code which is ever I have written. Here you can see that head, title, head, body. Same thing I am doing with the help of notepad, and again I am doing the same thing with the help of notepad plus plus, also showing you the difference between both of the editors. And here we go, we have followed the structure. Now satisfied. Again we have here uses. I am only using 2 tags. Next, please visit, please like, okay, like and comment on our videos. Okay, I can close it with the h1 tag and h2 tag. Again, thanks for liking thanks for like, thanks for sharing your knowledge, thanks for, okay, thanks for giving your valuable time. Okay, and just close this h2 tag. Now we have to save this, and whenever you're going to save this, again it is ask for the save location. In my case it is desktop, the location is in desktop, and file name is, this is my website. Okay, again you have to consider that the extension should be html or .htm. Here you can write .htm or you can write html. Okay, it doesn't going to affect you anything, and save it. After saving that, my website.html will be shown as file name. You can see that in Notepad and Notepad++, what is the difference between both of them softwares, editors. Here you can don't have so many colors, and it is not good for writing long lines of code for HTML pages, because always you are going to black. You may go for wrong thing also. So you can use Notepad++ or any other editor you have, then you have visualization is too good in this software. Okay, again whenever I'm going to run this, go to run and click on launch in Firefox. I don't have Firefox installed, launch in Chrome. Okay, here we go. Please like and comments on our videos. Again we are saying that this is showing that my website.html. we don't want this, we want show something here, welcome to my website. Okay, or anything else you can say. So go to again and write the title of that page, like HTML rocks. Okay, and you have to close this browser. So again save it and go to the browser and refresh it. So here you can go in the title page, here HTML rocks, the name of that page. It is going to help you in developing the website when you are going to create multiple pages like home, contact us, about us, or many more. You have to show the title of the each page whenever you are going to open that page. Okay, so where you can easily see the difference between both of the browsers, both of the editors, and it is very good. You have to always follow. And in my case I am coming back to you can see here in the Notepad++. So I have said that you have to use always baby structure, which is HTML head, title, head, body, and all that. So don't worry, this is HTML. And if you don't want to do this, okay, it does not going to affect you. Remove this body HTML. Okay, I remove this. It is going to be run or not? Just save it, because we have already saved it is in this file with the name of wiki.html. We have to just save it and go to that page and again refresh it. It is again going to show you that. Okay, it is not going to give any error, because you don't have follow the all you don't follow the all structure like HTML tags and all that body. So it is not going to help you anything, but it is the for using the structure, it is the important part. Whenever you are going to develop the web pages and website, it is important to follow the web page structure, which is going to help you. Okay, and before that, one thing I'm missing, that in this you can use HTML for document text, and I will show you what is that. Okay, no need to do that. And finally, what is the versions of HTML? You can see here HTML versions are since the earlier days. The web pages, there are many versions of the HTML. You can see here the first version of the HTML comes into 1991, and second version of the HTML comes into 1995, and again HTML 3.2 is 1997, and HTML 4.01 1999, which is currently I am using. I'm not explaining current time HTML5. I'm explaining the HTML 4.01. And XHTML again is a extensible markup hypertext markup language, and HTML5 is a little bit more advanced version of the HTML4. So this is all for this lecture, and thanks for watching my videos. Please like, comment and share our videos, and give your feedback, important feedback. This is going to help you a lot. Okay, thank you.